now we're going to sew the wing to the body where it matches. So we'll take off the set that pattern aside. I'm just going to use regular thread. So now I've pinned the wing to just one side of the bird, and I'm going to just take my regular needle and I'm going to come in underneath the blanket stitch. And attach this bird underneath. So just tiny little stitch. Through that loop once and twice. Both of the birds with their wings. And now I'm going to take the belly, and on the little marking that I left here, I'm going to match it up to the marking on the bird and put these right sides together and put a few pins. So again, following the 1/4 of an inch. This part sewn on, and now we're going to attach right sides together the rest of the bird. So we're going to leave an opening in the top, so I'm going to pin. That opening will be about 2 inches, about right there. Okay, so we're going to start. Here's our gap. We're going to start on this end, being careful not to sew that in. Let's get it out of the way. Here first. Here is your bird. Now we do want to trim the nose and the tail. Okay, so here we have the bottom, make sure nothing is caught. And now we have the opening. So we're going to take the bird and we're going to push it, turn it right side out. Okay, so now in the bottom of the opening, you're going to stick the stuffing. And make sure to take stuffing to the head first. And then also take the stuffing. You're going to go into the tail. Now in this little opening, you're going to carefully pour the walnut shavings. Okay, and then at this point, you're going to finish stuffing it. Okay, so you're going to take your opening and you're going to go up to the top. So your knot is down inside, and then a little stitch on one side, a little stitch on the other. And then once you sew the one bead on, you turn on around and sew on the other bead. And there you have your bird.